It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert Ms. Amrita today. Ma'am, the question for today is, when the market is bullish, what is the right approach for an investor to buy or sell? And also, are there any crucial factors that help us determine this?
When markets are bullish and not overvalued, like we look at P ratio. Like if the P ratio is within the average band, we look at earnings multiple. Like market is bullish, but the companies are also expected to deliver very good profits in the future, in the next 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. Then it's a bullish market with a good trend. But if the market is bullish with bad earnings estimate, with very high P ratio, then it indicates that the markets are overheated. And that's the time you should be rebalancing.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.